Hello medicos, welcome to Medical Gems. Great and effective mnemonics. Throughout my MBBS, I faced a lot of difficulty to remember the globin chains of different types of hemoglobins. Fortunately, during my postgraduate preparation, I prepared mnemonics to remember them. The same mnemonics I used during my DM preparation as well. In this video, I will help you remember the globin chains of different types of hemoglobins using the same mnemonics. However, to remember them, we need to understand the basic structure of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains a heme moiety and two pairs of globin chains. Iron is attached to the globin chains. Adult hemoglobin, also called HbA, contains two alpha and beta chains each. HbA is 95 to 99% of adult hemoglobin. Another type of adult hemoglobin is HbA2. It forms 2 to 3% of adult hemoglobin and consists of a pair of alpha and delta chains each. In fetus, HbF is seen, which consists of a pair of alpha and gamma chains each. Gamma chain in fetus can be remembered by the word mamma because the fetus is inside mamma and gamma sounds like mamma. Coming to embryonic hemoglobins, there are two types of these. Gowar and Portland. Each of these are also two types, 1 and 2 respectively. Gowar can be remembered by the similar sounding word, power. When an engineer joins a powerhouse, he is a junior engineer or JE because Gowar 1 hemoglobin contains of pairs of zeta and epsilon chains. JE for zeta and epsilon. As the engineer becomes senior, he gets the position of assistant engineer or AE because Gowar 2 consists of pairs of alpha and epsilon chains. You must have heard terms JE and AE among your engineer friends. Next, Portland 1 and 2 hemoglobins can be remembered by this picture and remembering the phrase Mamma and Beta Portland Jata, which is a mix of Hindi and English meaning mother and her son both are going to port. Because Portland 1 has pair of gamma chains and Portland 2 has beta chains. And both, or dono in Hindi, have zeta chains. Since mother is in front, you can remember gamma for mamma as in Portland 1. Finally, people get confused between what chains form hemoglobin BAT and what form HbH. Remember this picture. It says mamma farts. Farts for BATs. Or tetramer of gamma chain is BATs. And therefore, tetramer of delta chain is HbH. Also, I would like to highlight that beta chain is seen in adult hemoglobin and not in fetal hemoglobin. Hence, any hemolytic anemia caused due to beta chain disorder, like sickle cell disease or beta thalassemia, manifest only after 6 months of age. However, disorders which affect alpha chain, like alpha thalassemia, or RBC membrane, like hereditary spherocytosis or RBC enzymes, like G6PD deficiency, can manifest before 6 months of age. Or even in fetal period. These disorders can cause fetal eye drops or neonatal jaundice, unlike beta thalassemia or sickle cell disease. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel for more mnemonics like this. Thank you all.